Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I would film this super easy kind of sultry summer smoky eye, and if you want to know how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, there's me waving like a weirdo. But anyways, I'm starting off with the Urban Decay new Born to Run palette, which is so amazing, guys. I'm loving it. And I'm taking the first light shade called Breakaway, and I'm just applying that to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. Next, I'm going into the orange shade called Baja, no idea how to say it, and I'm just applying it to my crease to act as a transition color, and I'm smoking that all the way out, as you can see. Next, I'm going into the shade called Accelerate, which is this beautiful like brick brown shimmery shade, and I'm just applying that all over my eyelid. Next, I'm dipping into the shade called Good Is Gone, which is this deep darker brown, and I'm just slowly building that up in the outer corner, kind of creating that outer V shape and then slowly bringing it back to my crease. Next, I'm going into the shade called Blaze, which is this beautiful peachy pink iridescent shade, and I'm just applying that to my inner corner. Now I'm blending everything out so we have no harsh lines and everything looks seamless and smoky. Now I'm dipping back into the shade called Stranded, which is this beautiful gold shade, and I felt the look was kind of boring, so I wanted to kind of create a pop of color, so I just applied that to the center of my eyelid, kind of to act almost like a halo eye. Next, I'm going into the shade called Punk, which is this like purpley deep dark brown, and I'm just using that to kind of line my upper lash line, you know, to almost act as a smoky liner. And guys, this is so simple to do, but it gives the most beautiful effect. And you don't have to worry about being too precise with this because you can just smoke it out after all. Next, I'm ripping off the tape. How satisfying is that? A nice sharp corner. Now basically on my lower lash line, I'm just going in with that orange shade, and I'm just applying it to act as a transition for our lower lash line. Now I'm going in with the two deeper dark brown shades, and I'm just applying that closer to my lash line to create more definition and blending everything out once again. Next, I'm going in with the Stila liquid metal eyeshadows, and this one is in the shade Gold Goddess, and I'm just applying that to my inner corner kind of for a pop of gold. Now I'm just blending that out because this can be pretty intense and I wanted it to be more softer. Next, I'm just applying my Ardell Demi Wispies, and now I'm just lining my lower lash line with the NYX, you know, those light colored eye pens, just to create more definition, and I'm also tight lining my upper lash line. Now I'm just lining my lips using the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural to create more definition to my lips. And I'm filling that all in with the Tarteist lip paint in Birthday Suit. And guys, this is the most beautiful color, like it is my favorite color out of their entire collection. And I'm just topping everything off with the Too Faced Lip Injections gloss, because I kind of wanted a glossy look for this. Plus it's summer, so why not? Now, as always, I'm setting my face using the Glam Glow Setter setting spray just to make sure our makeup stays in place all day, nothing looks cakey, and yeah, just go in with the setting spray. Do not be shy. So guys, that's the final look. Definitely let me know if you enjoyed this look in the comments down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications and to subscribe, comment, and like because it helps me out so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!